What up, gamers? It's your boy Waffles back at it again with another video. And I was going to just install this and leave it at that, but somebody said, actually MLO, messaged me and said you better do a video on Mate with Wayland, so we're gonna do a Gentoo install video. There shouldn't be anything incriminating in here. Alright, cool. So we're going to do Gentoo. We're going to give it 16 gigs away, around 100 gigs of storage. And there we go, we are in. Shit. Alright, let's get started. So we're rebooting with direct cut. I may do a UGRD install, but probably not right now. Oh, it'll be funny though, putting UGIRD on this. Alright, so CF this VDA1. Oh, sorry. VDA. DOS 1G bootable new 99 primary type. Okay, cool. Done. Make FS X of S to VDA1 2 mixture parents Gentoo. Or I think we're good. CD not Gentoo. We're going to open up the handbook real quick. Alright, let's go back. So I want to do. I think we're just gonna download the tarball now. We're already CD'd into here. Because our date's correct. Yeah, date's fine. Alright, we're gonna do links https gentoo.org. Alright, we're gonna go to. I'm going to go to osusol.org. Releases AMD 64. Oh shit, let me make sure that my recording's up, otherwise I'm gonna be really screwed. Let's see here, auto builds. Sorry if I'm not using this correctly. We are going to get stage desktop OpenRC because I'm too lazy to set up systemd right now. Or are we downloading fucking 669 megs of shit? Look at that, look at how it is to install Gentoo. I'm already almost done. I'm kidding. Alright, let me know if my microphone volume is fucked up again, because I am not testing this recording. Somebody said it was quiet earlier. Tar XPVF stage 3 X-hatchers include. Oops, sorry. Yeah, actually that's right, isn't it? Hang on a second. No. Oh yeah. Yeah. Numeric X-hatchers include equals. Boom. Alright, let's see if I can memorize my make.conf. I doubt it though. I highly doubt it. Oh, we're gonna try. Sorry that my OBS is in the middle of my screen. I don't know if you want this any bigger. I might be able to make it a little bigger. Let's see if I can do that. Really fucking zoom in here. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, we're having fun today. It's a Gentoo install day. I hope you're happy. This is a good time to check your messages if you have any. No, I'm kidding. It's already done. Let's see. Somebody has invited me to raids, so that's cool. Alright, we're going to nano. It's Yeah, there we go. So we need March native. I don't know why that's not included by default. Use equals pipewire x Wayland get bin package. Video cards, I don't need that. Except license. And is that it? No, I need make ops equals J8L16. So I didn't mention this in my tutorial video, but so when I'm in boxes, I have an 8-core CPU with 16 threads, so it defaults to an 8-core. And since I give it 16 gigs of RAM, I can do full load. That should be fine without any swap. Sometimes if you're compiling like KDE, it can break if you don't have any swap and you max out your RAM. So I'm going to assume that's correct. Probably not, but maybe. We'll find out. CP rinse. Let's see, resolve.com. Mount Gentoo at C. Cool, we are going to arch. True. Mount Gentoo. And, ooh, shit, it did work, thank God. I was afraid there for a second because I know that shit don't work sometimes. Alright, so, sorry if you just heard a car zooming by, that was stupid. We're going to get sudo first. That should be fine. Sorry about that. I got the bad coughs today. Alright, emerge WebRSync. I probably should update world, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to skip that because I'm stupid. Alright, so here's a pro tip you're not gonna learn in the wiki, which I need to get this put in the wiki. Or at least the handbook. So we're going to do select profile list less. We're gonna pipe it into less. 23 is my profile, that's what I want. Alright, we have bin host. We have use. We are going to merge CPU flag. I don't think I need CPU flags. I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip that and see what happens, because I don't think I need that in a VM. License a star. I'm gonna skip updating world. No, we need to echo. New York. Oh, sorry. Alright, emerge config time zone data. And that should be it. We can skip locale generation because we're already on C, which is what I need. Merge. Ooh, actually, I don't need that. I don't need Linux firmware. So we are just going to package.use install kernel. I believe I still need that. I think I still need Racket. And I don't think I need grub. I don't think I need grub in this. Should be good. I don't know what the hell. Alright, so we're going to use. Holy shit, what did they do to this kernel page? What the fuck? I'm looking for. There we go, distribution kernel. Alright, yeah, I already know what I'm doing, anyways. Alright, so let's work without Dracut. It should be fine. This will take a second. That's cool. Configuring system, we're gonna make an FS tab, and that'll be really fun. It's actually not gonna be all that fun. Alright. Yeah, sorry I don't have my guide up. This is going real fast. Insert that image of Tom from Tom and Jerry walking around and pacing around because Gentoo is installing. No, this is going pretty fast. I mean, shit, you've seen, we're only 11 minutes into this recording. You know what I mean? And we're already almost done, so whatever. But this is going to be a bit longer because before we reboot, we're actually going to install Mate, which will be cool. Apologies for the dead air. I don't mean to have dead air in my video, like some people. But no, I'm not cutting it down. Nano Etsy FS tab. Sorry, I cannot fucking type. Holy shit. VDA 1. I need. Yes. Boot XFS default 02 dev VDA 2 slash XFS defaults node time 01. Let me make sure that went through. Alright, cool. So that should be it. We are going to see hostname. We're going to emerge cpcd. This should only take a second. RC update add dhcpcd default. Okay, we have that. And we are ready for, I'm going to install Cronny. It's the only tool I need. Emerge Cronny. So yeah, this is an excellent Gentoo install video in case you were worried that there was no Gentoo going on my channel. I'm sorry it's in a VM, but this is kind of experimental shit. So, you know. RC update. Cronny D default, and let's get grub. Emerge grub. This is actually going to take a while too, if not longer than the kernel. Okay, cool. One sec. My last stick of incense. How quaint. I got that incense from a store that is now closed. They got sued by their landlord for not being open. But it was nice incense. I'll have to, if I didn't already have a whole nother box of it, I might order some. Because this stuff is nice, I like it. But I've got like sage, I've got some, looks like some Indian stuff maybe. I think it's written in Sanskrit, I don't know. Anyways, a little lore video about my incense while you wait for grub to emerge. But yeah, it's the same. I'm not like super into crystals or anything, but it was cool having a store nearby, even though they were kind of fucking overpriced. You know what I mean? My dog's here joining us. Orange shoe dog. He thinks I have food. Sorry. No, he left because I have no food. Alright, grub is installed. We're good to go. Grub installed VDA. You better not have an error. Jesus Christ. Grub make config. Oh, where is my, yeah. Oh, grub.cfg. Alright, we have Gentoo disk.image, cool, we have grub. And that's it, but I need to finalize first because we're gonna need a user. Secure password, user add, mg, user is wheel. Cool. Alright, we got a password. Now we need to install Mate. So this at 17 minutes is the end of the Gentoo install. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. But we're actually going to do something first. And that's portage. Alright. So if you noticed our flags, even if you didn't have Wayland for Mate, you would still need the Wayland use flag because it's dependent on some things now. So we're going to merge VA select repository. Thank God they default to dev VC as there's like 5 versions of Git and it's so annoying. So I always have to remember the atom. Alright, cool. This should be real fast though, it's just eSelect repository. Like, how complicated can that be? You know, if you emerge fast fetch, it's got like 50 dependencies. It's so stupid. I'm like, I thought this was supposed to be fast. E-select Mate overlay. Merge sync. Let's do that. Alright, so we are going to... Ah, shit, they got SDDM. Ugh, that's not good. SDDM got fucked up. So that was the problem. I may have to use SDDM, and that worries me. Because I did not get that working last time when I installed KDE. Well, it was not good. I wonder, will that pull Xorg server if I need that? I won't even know. That's iffy. That's iffy. Probably should update world first. Alright. Let's try that. I don't know if that's supposed to be... Uh, yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oh, I think we just need to set up keywords. Mate, Wayland, session. Motherfucker, did they not include the atom? You dickhead. You dickhead. Alright, let me go see what this is. Fucking rate the atom, Jesus Christ. Mate base. I'm gonna fucking edit your shit, Emilo. Oh wait, alright, let's try that. That should be the keyword, I'm pretty sure. I didn't even look. I didn't even look. Alright, there we go. Motherfucker. Use links. Oh, okay, I didn't add glitz too. No, I want to go to makeup font. And I would like to add glitz too. Alright, that's useful. Look at that, we're troubleshooting live on stream. Oh, motherfucker, what the fuck? Okay, I need to... I can't copy that. Alright, nano... package that use... What the fuck are you using WLRs for anyways? Alright, motherfucker, fucking emerge now. Emerge! Fucking shit. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Cool. Thank you. Oh, god damn it. It's emerging 218 mega. I thought this was just the session. No, it's going through all of Mate. Okay, so we actually got a bit of time, but luckily this does support bin host, so that will take significantly less time. Okay. I may link Emilo's store in the description. If you would like to buy merch that supports Gentoo and also a YouTuber. He's got a pretty funny channel. He makes good memes. So I'm subscribed. He's subscribed to me, you know. Show him some love. He's actually got merch and it goes to a good cause. So that's a shout out to Emilo. He says he wants just Patreon right now because he doesn't make much money on his merch sales. I don't know. I need to go get a drink. I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that dead air. So, here is his Patreon. I will. Looks like you can donate for at least $1 a month. That's sad though, because the store does have his hat. His. What the fuck am I saying? His merch is really cool though. He's got really good quality merch. Sorry. Hey, look at that. We're already 73 packages in. Sweet. I'm asking him if I need STDM. Because I'm afraid. Sorry, you get to hear my typewriter keyboard. That's why I don't do like gameplay or anything. Because I have a fucking Model M. Uh, HP train, sweet. Who the fuck is friending me? Cool. Things are happening. You get to hear my amazing commentary as my cat jumps on my desk. If I get Wayland, alright, we're gonna install LightDM because he says it may need to be patched. But we're about to find out. We'll find out if that works or not. My dog's back. Hello, doggy. You want food? I have no food. No food for you. So yeah, if you guys are, oh shit, did I fuck something up? No, no, I'm good. Okay, cool. So if you guys are interested, I don't think I ever linked my Discord in this uh I don't think I've ever linked my Discord because I try not to promote it, you know. But what was I thinking of? Shit. I was thinking of something. If you would like to join the Gentoo Discord, I guess. Is that what I was thinking of? I don't even know. I don't even know what I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking of something and now it's like just complete brain fart. I don't even know what I was thinking of. So this is the enlightening commentary that you get while we wait for. Oh, I remember what I was saying. This is what I do a lot of the time. If you are interested in this, what is going on screen right now, Gentoo is always looking for people to work on it. So you know, it can be something as simple as like writing documentation. That's usually what I do because I'm not a fucking programmer. I've written like one e-build after like people dragged me kicking and screaming through it, and it turns out it was a Flatpak anyways, so what the fuck do I give a shit? But uh Gentoo is a pretty fun distro. Like people always ask me, they're like, "What distro can I install to contribute to?" You know, like what can I get started with to like flesh out my GitHub or whatever, or like whatever you want to do. And I'm like, do Gentoo. You get the challenge just learning to install it, and then by the time you're done, um, oh sorry, by the time you're done, you know everything you need to. I mean, obviously you don't know like how to write an e-build because there's a lot that goes to that, but if you start learning the wiki is really simple. You can learn to write e-builds, you can contribute packages. It's great, it's fun. And they always need developers, they need patches and stuff, so if you find bugs you can always report them. It's really cool. That's what I'm doing right now. I mean, I'm testing Monte Wayland, it's really cool. So that's it's just something that hell. I mean, I always bring up the story as I started writing documentation for Gentoo, and Risk 5 International decided to give me a free computer. So that's a bonus right there. I mean, like shit, Like I'm not even a programmer, and they're like, "Oh, here, have a dev board," because obviously you are the one that needs this. So I've had other people that are more inclined to that kind of stuff apply for one too, and hopefully they get it because I mean, shit, people need to learn about Risk 5, and it's really cool. And it obviously needs a lot of developers, but it's good that they're just giving them out for like vendor support and stuff. It's awesome. So if you decide you want to get started, the Discord's obviously the best place to start. There's different subgroups for everything. The Gentoo IRC, Gentoo Mate IRC, if you want to get involved in Mate. There's Gentoo Rs5 IRC. There's everything. There's IRCs. There's Discords for it. There's a lot of stuff you can do, and it's really fun. So it's the most fun I've had on Linux. I know I haven't been on Gentoo in a bit on bare metal, but that's just because I'm just too lazy right now, and I'm doing all my gaming on Bazite, and all I do right now is fucking play video games and install Gentoo. And watch the same YouTube videos over and over. It's fun. It's a fun time. So, yeah, that's always my recommendation, because like obviously you can contribute to anything you want. I just found that this is a really good place to get started, because you would think it's like super technical and it's not really noob friendly, but I've noticed that Gentoo was the easiest for me to get into, because unlike Arch where they fucking RTFM all the time, Gentoo's like, "Oh, here's how you do it." And I'm like, "Oh, cool. Should I add that to the manual so that I can RTFM later?" And they're like, "Yeah, please add it to the wiki." And you're like, "Oh, cool. I get to write the manual. It's awesome." And I always tell people I'm not a programmer. I don't know shit about coding. I did like one class of Java and I fucking hated it. So like I can't write anything. My web page looks like absolute trash. It's got a little JavaScript in it, but it's not anything I wrote myself. And I'm able to contribute not only like sorry, I'm able to actually contribute to Gentoo. I'm able to try out all these cool new things that they have, and it teaches you so much about Linux. Everybody says, "Oh, you got to do LFS if you want to learn about Linux," and I'm like, "Yeah, that's a cool option if you don't want like a working package manager by the end of it." Which really kind of hamstrings you. It makes it hard to do anything when you don't have access to any binaries at all. But Gentoo is, I don't want to say it's like LFS because I don't fucking use LFS, but you learn a lot of the same stuff when you install Gentoo. You get to learn how to compile packages, even though Emerge does a lot of it for you. You get to learn about use flags, compiler flags, and all this other stuff, and it's cool. It's a really cool thing. But you don't have to be super technical in order to do it. Now people will walk you through it. I mean, like you saw my whole install. It took like 17 minutes total, and now we are 35 minutes in. But we are almost done. not compiling, but downloading all the binaries. So we're gonna do a quick test and see if we can get light DM working. I doubt it will with the Wayland grader, but we're gonna try it. But yeah, I've been working on I'm kind of brainstorming it right now. I need to like do more research into all the ins and outs of Gentoo compared to other distributions because I want to do like a whole Google Docs or like Google Slides presentation on this. Kind of like you were listening to a lecture, and it would be much more of a lecture rather than a talking out of my ass kind of thing. But I want to do like the actual research into it first because obviously I've used Gentoo for like a year or so now, but I want to like get everybody's perspective on everything, and try to like I want to call it something like what is Gentoo Linux and why you should get involved, and it would be kind of like something you would hear at a convention. I just think it would be a cool because you don't really see a whole lot of that online, surprisingly. And I think there's a lot of misconceptions about Gentoo because people think you got to be like super insane to run it. And obviously, you're looking at my screen right now, and you're like, "Oh man, you're compiling a fucking desktop." And it's like, yeah, I am, but look, it's already almost done. you know. I mean, obviously, I say that right now as it's actually compiling something, but you know what I mean, though. Like, there's so much. Once you're actually in the desktop, then things get a lot easier because then you can compile while you have a working desktop, so you can like go watch YouTube or something while it's doing its thing. You don't have to sit around waiting for it to compile. You can not only do you have bin host now, which is a fucking lifesaver, but you also don't have to be dedicating your entire computer to compiling, and this is something that I wish people knew, because there was a time where yeah, you did have to compile everything, and obviously I've got a fairly decent machine having like an 8-core processor, but I've run. It took about 4 hours, but I did compile Mate on a Pentium D, you know, with 4 gigs of RAM. So like, and by the time it was done, hey, I had a working desktop. I didn't have to worry about it again. And the long journey is over, so that's cool. We're going to try light DM. No promises though. No promises, but we're gonna try this. Geez. So yeah, this is very experimental stuff we're doing right now. So, and actually, I don't think we pulled an Xorg server, so I'm gonna have to do that. Otherwise, this is not gonna start. I don't know why Mate doesn't pull an Xorg. That's so weird. You know what I mean? I need to like report that or something. It pulls in Pipewire, but it doesn't pull in. Oh my god. You know what I mean? Like it comes with Pipewire pre-configured, but it doesn't pull in pulse or uh doesn't pull in Xorg, even though it's an Xorg desktop. Like we're just getting Wayland support now, guys. Oh my god. So yeah, this will be really fun to see. I'm hoping it launches. We'll find out. But we haven't even rebooted yet, not that we need to. So we need to display manager. I'm not going to install any portals right now because I just want to make sure this actually launches. That's really all I want right now. I just want it to launch. Nano, let's see, conf d display manager. We're going to change that to light DM. Alright, so we're going to RC update add bus default. Cool. We're going to... Alright, let's merge export. Let's do that first. This might actually take a bit to compile. Although maybe everything is a binary now, which would be nice. I don't think it is though. It's gonna start compiling at some point. And after this, we can go watch my Gamers Nexus video I was watching. Right now, I just want to see that I get desktop, honestly. I may install some portals, I don't know. Probably need to. Probably need desktop portal. I'm gonna try that. We're gonna merge the portal just in case. Yeah, I thought so. Alright, this will be the moment of truth after this emerges. We'll be done. Late DM, man, it's gonna be fun. I don't think it's gonna work, but maybe. Maybe it will. Damn, we're already 42 minutes in. This is a long ass Gentoo install. But that's what we get, you know? That's what we get for trying things. But I don't want to start dbus. I mean, I want to start dbus, I don't want to. RC service display manager start. Shit. Alright, so we're going to... What the... that's not XDM. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do... reboot. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think we gotta reboot first. We can't do this within the root. Bam. Alright, cool. So I didn't screw anything up. We are going to switch to Mate on Wayfire. And let's see if it actually starts. Yeah, I didn't think so. I didn't think that would work. Okay, so we can't do that. But we can do Mate. Okay, and we do it Mate, so that means I need to use SDDM. Alright, so that's that'll be the video. Thanks for watching, sticking through all 44 minutes, but yeah, you know, get involved. I'll link Imilo's stuff in the description. Thanks.